Looking for a better POE smart camera? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the VIKYLIN 4K POE smart camera. That's right, this is a POE turret camera, so you just stick it up and it covers you safe. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to take a look at this VIKYLIN HD POE network camera. This thing is 4K and it is a beast. As you see right there, it's got an app and everything for it. Built-in microphones day and night. POE setup, so it's powered by Ethernet. But let's open it up. First thing you see in the box is this POE IP camera quick start guide. So very nice. So all the information you'll need is right there, and it looks like it's got color on it as well, so super cool. Quick start handle. We've got our contact information here, so if you have issues you can contact support. Very cool. Got the eyeball network camera quick start guide right here, so getting it set up over your network as well. Looks like we've got the pre-drill hole little template right here, so you can put this up and then start your holes, pull it off, and then stick it right up. Got stuff right here for the manuals and the software. Looks like we've got our tools and everything right here as well. And then part of the mounting system here for the cables. And then finally, what you showed up here for, the VIKYLIN camera itself. So right here on the end, we've got our Ethernet, because this is PoE, so powered by Ethernet. But it also looks like we've got a manual plug there for power. And the camera right here. Wow, very nice. So typically with these kind of cameras right here, you're gonna unscrew this, put your mount up, and then you can adjust this and then put it back up in there and tighten it back up. It looks like right here we've got stuff for a SIM card, and you know we got to do this. You're welcome. This thing feels great. This is all metal, but very nice. Looks super clean. Super excited to get it tried out and set up, but let's go ahead and get that done. This is the VIKYLIN 4K 8MP Starlight IP security camera. Ultra HD 8MP turret camera. This 8MP PoE camera records everything at a high resolution of 3840 by 2160. It's got a 1 by 2.7 inch CMOS image high performance sensor and a 2.8mm fixed lens provide an ultra wide viewing angle of 102 degrees, allowing you to cover more ground and keep more things important to you safe. Starlight recording and storage. This 8MP Starlight camera has a minimum illumination of 0.008 lux at a f1.6 stop. This enables you to achieve industry-leading low light performance at night and night vision up to 98 feet. With the built-in microphone, it also picks up ambient sound for an extra layer of security. Videos can be saved in the micro SD card, which can handle up to 256 gigabytes, but it's not included, or on an NVR or an FTP server. Smart detection on the IVS. It supports many intelligent functions like tripwire, intrusion, to quickly and accurately respond to monitoring events in specific areas. Receive alert notifications through your smartphone with the free app, and this works on Android and iOS as well as IDM-SS, and it's got free PC software with the Smart PSS or third-party software such as Blue Iris. This is an IP67 weatherproof PoE camera. It's built to weather any storm and the darkest of night. This 8MP IP camera features a heavy-duty weatherproof IP67 housing as well, and it uses a single Ethernet cable to carry data and power. Simplified cabling means easier plug and play and reliable connections for DIY enthusiasts. They're reliable and secure. This security camera is manufactured by VIKYLIN and can be plug and play with DHMVR and has open network video interface protocol and can be perfectly compatible with third-party brands. This thing is awesome. Super high quality. Fantastic. Great job, VIKYLIN. So you know we've worked with a lot of PoE cameras in the past, but never one that has its own software and technology built into it. You always have to rely on your little PoE Ethernet box system, right? So this one actually has an app and everything that comes with it. We want to give a huge shout out to VIKYLIN for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.